Hi and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you a new feature of the UTM plugin we've built for ONTRAPORT, which actually can be used for any CRM now that we've made these changes. So the way the UTM plugin initially was built was so that you could create with 2.4 off Autopilot 2.4, you could go to the Google UTM Creator tool and build out something like this so that you could track where different campaigns are coming from to go straight into the contact record. So for example, I'll just create one here like that. Then when this URL is hit by a particular end user in a campaign, you're able to track those fields into the contact record. So one of the other ways that people have been using it is so that they can pass in an email, the user's first name, email, or other fields, and then pre-populate forms. And the way to do that was just to simply add on to the UTMs here more data or more tags. So we have F name for first name and L name for last name, etc. So we have all these different extra variables that you can be adding on, and we also have some that you can set yourself. So basically var1, meaning variable 1, equals, and then you can that could possibly be the country field or whatever form field you want to enter, like that. And one of the other ones that we collect is the referral page. So what I'm going to show you now is what we've done in order to be able to show some of these fields on the actual thank you page after you've submitted a form. So I'll just first of all just run through that and show you how that's done. So here's a little tool where I can test tracking the referral page. Basically, I submit the URL here, and then it gives me the link. Okay, so this now takes me to my website, and if I go and have a look at the cookies, the resources, so here we can actually see now the referral page is correct, and all these other ones are here as well, like the country, Google CPC, slogan, etc. Okay, so what I've got now is this test page where I can take the data in the cookies and populate it on the page, as you can see here. So what I've populated here is first name, last name, and the referral page. And I've done this using the following shortcodes as part of the plugin. And they look like this. So you've got this, the shortcode, and then in between the quotations is the actual cookie name that you want to be populating onto the page. So for example, when we look at the cookie, you can see on the left-hand side the name. So if I want to put any of these on the page, I can, including the UTM campaign, for example, UTM source, basically any of these. So I'll go ahead and put var1 on the page so that you can see that. We just do it like this. I'll update the page in this browser on the right, which is a different version of Chrome. It's a different user in Chrome, so it's not using the same cache. And now I'll come back and refresh this page. And then there you can see country is right on the page there. So that's the way this works. And the way that where you would want to be using this feature of the plugin is to say, it's to personalize thank you pages or personalize visits and stuff like that. So if you ever send someone from your database to your website, all you would need to do in the email is to add question mark fname equals, and then if you're using ONTRAPORT, you just add the variable on the end like this, and then any page they visit where you've got that shortcode, you'll be able to populate it for them. So that's the way it works. I hope you like this additional feature, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.